Guangzhou Shengbaoshi Trade Import and Export Company, Limited, Quality Guardianship, Global Companionship Guangzhou Shengbaoshi Trade Import and Export Company, Limited. Specializes in the manufacturing of baby diapers, sanitary napkins, baby pants, pull-up pants, regular pants, pajama pants, leak-proof pants as well as disposable hygiene products for both babies and adults. We are committed to providing high-quality and considerate products for consumers around the world. Our products, with their outstanding quality and reliable performance, have been exported to numerous regions including the United States, Europe, Russia, the Middle East and the African market. Among them, the markets of many African countries such as Ghana, Togo, Benin and Senegal have shown great potential and value. We are well aware of the demand for high-quality hygiene products in these markets and have brought comfort and peace of mind to local consumers with our professional manufacturing techniques and strict quality control. Since its establishment, the company has always adhered to the principle of customer first, quality foremost, and customer health. Every customer is our cherished partner. We listen attentively to their needs and win their trust and support with high-quality products and services. Whether it's the research and development and innovation of products or the optimization of the production process, everything is centered around providing the best experience for our customers. Through the OEM brand strategy, we have successfully entered the market and continuously expanded our business territory, striving to expand and strengthen our market position. In this process, we adhere to the concept of mutual benefit and health. We not only provide products but also establish in-depth cooperative relationships with our customers to achieve mutual benefit and long-term binding. We believe that only by working hand in hand with our customers can we achieve sustainable development in the highly competitive market and bring healthy and calm. K